How to decide on retaking the TOEFL, a post-test guide. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to another video in our TOEFL preparation series. Today, we're going to dive deep into a very important topic, considering retaking the TOEFL test if needed. We all aim for the best scores, but sometimes, things don't go as planned. Let's discuss how to make an informed decision about retaking the test. The TOEFL, like any other test, can be unpredictable. Despite intense preparation, there might be days when you're just not feeling at your best. Some common reasons for considering a retake include unexpected distractions during the test, illness or feeling unwell on test day, feeling that you didn't showcase your true capabilities, not reaching the minimum score required for your desired institution or course. Before jumping into a decision, it's crucial to evaluate your performance. 1. Review the score breakdown. Understand where you lost points. Was it in the reading, writing, speaking, or listening section? Pinpointing the weaker sections can help you understand where to focus if you decide to retake. 2. Compare with practice tests. Were your actual test scores drastically different from your practice test scores? If there's a significant disparity, you might have a good reason to believe you can do better. If you decide to retake, approach it with a strategic plan. 1. Focus on your weak areas. Use your score breakdown to focus your study sessions. For example, if you lost many points in the speaking section, practice speaking more frequently. 2. Change your study techniques. If you studied alone for the first test, consider joining a study group or hiring a tutor this time. A fresh approach might make a difference. 3. Mock tests. Take more timed mock tests to simulate the test day environment. This will make you more comfortable and better prepared for the actual test. While the decision to retake might seem like the obvious choice, here are some things to consider. Cost. TOEFL isn't free. Ensure you're willing to invest again, both in terms of money and time. Deadlines. Universities and institutions have application deadlines. Check if you have enough time to retake the test and send your scores. Mental readiness. Retaking can be mentally exhausting. Ask yourself if you're ready for another round of intense preparation. Making the choice to retake the TOEFL test is deeply personal and should be based on careful consideration of your scores, aspirations, and circumstances. Remember, it's not about perfection but about showcasing your English proficiency in the best light. Whether you choose to retake or not, know that every step in this journey brings you closer to your goals. We hope this video has provided clarity and guidance on your TOEFL journey. Until next time, happy learning!